An up-close encounter with these titans is a lesson in beautiful contradiction. The immense power of a 30-ton whale is tempered by an unexpected delicacy as it filters krill or gently nudges its calf. The formidable bulk of an African elephant, capable of pushing over trees, is contrasted by the incredible dexterity of its trunk, which can pick a single berry. In their deep...
Polar bears are the largest carnivores, meat eaters, on land. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Polar bear fur looks white, but it's actually transparent. Their skin underneath is black, which helps absorb heat from the sun. Polar bear babies, called cubs, are born in snow dens during winter and are about the size of a guinea pig when born. Polar bears live only in the Arctic, not Antarctica.
Cows are gentle farm animals known for giving us milk, which is used to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and more. Cows are very social animals and form close bonds with other cows, often having best friends in their herd. Cows have been domesticated for over 10,000 years and are important for dairy, meat, leather, and farming in many cultures. Cows are herbivores and eat only plants like grass, hay, and grains, often chewing for 6-8 hours a day. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult male. Lions are carnivores and apex predators.
Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups. They often follow the leader. That's where the phrase "follow like sheep" comes from. Sheep say "ba" to communicate with each other. Lambs and their mothers can recognize each other by their unique sounds. Sheep grow thick wool that keeps them warm. Their wool is used to make clothes, blankets, and socks.
Giraffes were once thought to be silent, but they actually make low humming sounds, especially at night, to communicate. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. Adult males can grow up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, tall. Giraffes are herbivores. They only eat plants, especially the leaves of acacia trees, which they love. Despite their size, giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per h, for short distances. Giraffes were once thought to be silent, but they actually make low humming sounds, especially at night. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. They have excellent long-term memory. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs.
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per h in short bursts. Cheetahs have long legs, a slim body, and a long tail that acts like a rudder to help them turn quickly while chasing prey. Cheetahs can only run at full speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they need to rest. Running that fast takes a lot of energy. Cheetahs are endangered. There are only about 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild today, mostly in Africa.
Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. They chew cud to help digest tough plant material in a four-chambered stomach. Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Rhinos have poor eyesight and cannot see very far, but their hearing and sense of smell are extremely strong and help them stay alert. Rhinoceros comes from Greek words meaning nose horn, because all rhinos have one or two horns on their noses. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Rhinos have poor eyesight and cannot see very far, but their hearing and sense of smell are extremely strong and help them stay alert. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plains zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras are hindgut fermenters, meaning they digest food in their cecum and colon, allowing them to extract nutrients from low-quality forage. Kangaroos can swim and often go into water to escape predators. They appear on the Australian coat of arms, money, and airline logos. Kangaroos eat grass, leaves, and shrubs, like natural lawnmowers. Kangaroos can't walk backward because of their big tails and muscular legs. Red kangaroos are the largest species, with males growing up to 2 meters tall. Kangaroos can swim and often go into water to escape predators. They appear on the Australian coat of arms, money, and airline logos. Bears have an extraordinary sense of smell, 7 times better than a bloodhound's. Bears are incredibly strong. A grizzly bear can lift over 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms, and run up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per h. Bears have been observed using tools, playing games, and solving problem traits linked to intelligent animals. Bears communicate through vocalizations, body language, scent marking, and scratches on trees.